So, what exactly is rippling? Here's everything you need to know. So, Rippling is an all in one workforce management platform that combines HR, payroll, benefits, IT, and finance into a single system. It's designed for startups, small businesses, and growing companies that want to automate HR tasks and manage employees globally. Some key features are automated payroll and tax filings, employee onboarding and benefits management, IT device and app management, time tracking, scheduling, and performance reviews, and compliance tools for state and federal rules. So, how Rippling works is it uses a central employee record. When you update info in HR, it automatically syncs across payroll, IT, and finance, eliminating duplicate data entry. Rippling's HR software starts at $8 per user per month with modular plans, so you only pay for what you need. It stands out because, unlike traditional payroll providers, Rippling unifies HR, IT, finance, giving businesses automation, real time visibility, and a single source of truth for employee data. If this helps, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.